Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will be comparing both a free affiliate versus a premium affiliate. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first, we are logged into a free affiliate plan. There's absolutely no doubt that you can start promoting Builderall with the free plan. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at some of the apps available to you. Now, although you're not able to host any domains to help personalize your business without upgrading, your free affiliate plan does allow you to have full access to our super fast, state-of-the-art Cheetah drag and drop website builder so that you can start creating professionally looking websites and funnels. Now that, my friend, is super cool. Now, there are other perks with the free affiliate plan. You can create membership sites inside Cheetah. You can use super checkout, smart pop-up, website sharing, and a few other cool tools to help build your funnels. Now, one of the other additional cool tools is you can use the Mailing Boss to start creating and building your email list of up to 100 subscribers. Now, let's take a quick glance at some of the tools here. Now, as you can see, there's a red padlock. That's going to indicate that this is not currently available in the free plan. Now, if you upgrade to the premium plan, that is going to unlock all of these different tools that you can start utilizing today to help really push and promote your funnels. Now, these are powerful tools, so let's take a look at a couple of them and look at the descriptions down below. Now, upgrading to the premium plan is definitely an investment. It's an investment of both time and some really powerful tools. Now, the other thing that comes with your free affiliate plan is a couple free funnels. So let's go up to the affiliates link, click on that. Now, once we go to the affiliate dashboard, what we're going to want to do is go down to where it says lead generation funnels, select that, and now we're going to enter our library of funnels. Now, the library of funnels available for the free plan are the Builderall Home, the free website, and Builderall Business. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually show you one of these funnels here. But first, let's pay attention to this affiliate link. Again, this is a rather lengthy link, but again, you can shorten that. You can connect your own domain and start creating congruency within your brand. Now, let's take a look at this funnel. Okay, so we're inside the funnel, and as you can see, this is a perfectly amazing, professionally designed funnel, all set for you to launch right here, right now. Now, I know you want to launch your own websites, your own funnels, and you can do that. And while you're learning Cheetah to do that, to customize your own branding and start building and creating congruency, you can launch this funnel that's all set for you to go. Now, when we're talking about congruency, keep in mind that, remember, there was that long affiliate link. So you may want to start with connecting a domain, and in order to do that, you have to upgrade, right? Because the free affiliate plan only allows you to start your business, but yet with limitations. You saw the limitations on the tools, you saw the limitations on the funnels. Now here you're targeting the possibility of recruiting other affiliates, right? But think of businesses who are searching for that all-in-one business solution called Builderall. Well, that's what the premium plan is going to give you, and so much more. Let's go in there, take a look, but real quick, just at the very top, there's this really cool header. It says join our network of Builderall affiliates, coupled by a nice intro video that introduces them to the Builderall affiliate system. Let's take a look inside premium. Okay, so here we are. We're logged into the premium plan. Now, the first thing I want to show you are all of the different apps that you unlock once you upgrade. Now, all of these different apps are very powerful. They have a description down below. They have some training videos provided for you. Now, some of them are really easy to use. Other ones require, yes, a little bit of a learning curve. But let me tell you, when you're done and you start learning all of these different tools, you're not going to see these icons, right? What you're going to see is dollar signs, because you're going to learn how you can monetize from each one of these. So there are successful affiliates out there that are just taking 1, 2, 3 of these tools and monetizing, growing their business just with those tools. Now, that's just a starting point for you, right? So let's go to the very top. And again, if you click on apps, the drop-down menu, just hover your mouse over it. This is going to show up all of the different tools categorized by builders, email marketing, engagement, design, reports, and others. So much to learn, so much to take advantage of, and that's the value behind the premium plan. Now that's the value behind the premium plan. Now let's head over to the affiliate area and let's take a look at the funnels. Okay, so we are inside the Premium Funnel Club, and you can see some of these look familiar. According to the free plan, you only have 3 different funnels to choose from. Now, when you upgrade to the premium plan, you're going to be unlocking and having full access to the Funnel Club. That's going to give you over 45 different professionally designed funnels that you can start using today. Of course, everyone wants to start creating their own funnels or their own websites using the Cheetah Builder, and you can, but why not launch a professionally designed pre-made funnel right here, right now? Super easy. Now take a look at some of these. They're very creative, amazing. All you have to do is make it your own. And don't forget, with the premium plan, you can also connect up to 15 different domains. That's a really huge difference. Now you also have unlimited email marketing, right? So you don't have to just worry about having a limit of just 100 subscribers. Take a look at these funnels. They are ready and set to go. There's the $1 funnel. There are certain plan funnels. There are also niches, right? So here we're targeting certain affiliates, right? To join our team. We want to grow and expand our team, our business, but you can also do that by targeting certain niches or niches. Let's take a look at that. Take a look at these. Here you have beautifully crafted niche funnels that businesses just can't wait to learn more about. All you have to do is showcase these funnels, do a presentation, show them, and prove to them that they too can grab hold of an all-in-one business solution called Builderall. They won't just fall in love with these pre-made customizable funnels, but they might even have you manage their own website. All right, let's take a look at this martial arts funnel. Imagine doing a presentation to a martial arts business owner and showing them this funnel. Right, what they're going to see is opportunity, right? So once they take a look at the really cool features and benefits, once they visualize this being their own business, this professionally designed website, all they got to simply do is just opt in by clicking on your affiliate link, and there you go, you have a lead. Now, this is how so many of the different niche funnels work. All you have to do is focus your attention on some really good marketing. Now, if you want some really cool tools that come with the premium plan as it relates to marketing, let me show you what's called the Funnel Showcase. So we are in the Funnel Showcase, and how to access the Funnel Showcase is simply click on the link right above Lead Generation Funnels. And here you go. Here you have all you need to start promoting your niche funnels that you found in the Funnel Club. Let's take a look. Now, let's go back in and take a look at the martial arts funnel. Now here, you're going to have social media marketing content to start posting all across social media. All you have to do is just simply click here. It's going to download a file for you, and you're all set to go. Now, more exciting than that, let me click on this here. This is an example of ad descriptions. So this is all set for you. All you have to do is just go in here and simply target the suggested audience, and there you go. You're going to be all set. So Builderall, the premium plan, not only partners you with so many different funnels that you can start promoting today, whether they're affiliate, whether they're niche, whether they're business funnels, there are so many endless opportunities that you can put into play today, and Builderall makes it that easy. So when it comes to comparing free affiliate to premium affiliate, let's recap the differences. With the premium plan, you can host up to 15 different domains. With the free affiliate plan, you can't host any. With premium, you get unlimited subscribers. With the free plan, you only get 100. Now, when it comes to storage space, the premium plan is going to give you 10 gigabytes of storage space, while the free plan only allows 1 gigabyte. With the premium plan, you unlock all of the powerful apps. Unlike the free plan, you get access to the Premium Funnel Club with over 45 plus funnels that they keep adding week after week. You also get access to the Funnel Showcase that provides you the social media content and ad descriptions to start growing your business. Now, I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.